It's a 2017 Hyundai Elantra. It's all about more room to stretch, more space for cargo, and more go with less gas. It comes with all the amenities you need: streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, power windows, manual telescoping steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Consumer Reports adds the Hyundai Elantra combines a roomy cabin, lots of equipment, impressive fuel economy, and a low price. Challenging convention to find a better way. It's the Hyundai way. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.